Mastering decision-making skills is essential for navigating life's challenges and opportunities effectively. This guide highlights 5 key skills to help you make better choices and achieve your goals. 1. Critical thinking. Develop your critical thinking skills to analyze situations objectively and evaluate options logically. Consider various perspectives, question assumptions, and weigh evidence to make informed decisions. 2. Problem solving. Enhance your problem solving skills to identify challenges, generate solutions, and implement effective strategies. Break down complex problems into manageable components and approach them systematically to find optimal solutions. 3. Emotional intelligence. Cultivate emotional intelligence to understand and manage your emotions effectively during the decision-making process. Recognize how emotions influence your choices and develop empathy to consider others' perspectives. 4. Time management. Improve your time management skills to prioritize tasks, allocate resources efficiently, and make decisions within deadlines. Organize your time effectively, delegate tasks when necessary, and focus on high-priority activities to maximize productivity. 5. Resilience. Build resilience to cope with setbacks and bounce back from failures. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, learn from mistakes, and maintain a positive mindset when facing adversity. By mastering these 5 decision-making skills, you can approach choices with confidence, clarity, and resilience, leading to better outcomes in both professional and personal domains. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.